Healthcare workers coming under physical attack in Georgia hospitals and doctors' offices. Their injuries sometimes so severe it lands them in the ER. These attacks on nurses and doctors were happening with increasing frequency even before the pandemic. But medical workers tell state lawmakers it's gotten much worse. They say a lot of the assaults are not even being reported. 11 Alive's Doug Richards has more on the troubling issue.
I was a victim in a horrific attack.
Destiny is a 19-year nursing veteran who works in a Northeast Georgia hospital. She says a few months back, a patient inexplicably attacked her and a coworker,
Smashing her face off of the wall and off of the ground. The patient lunged towards me, grabbing my hair, twisting it very tightly in between her fingers to where no one was able to get me free.
Destiny says the patient punched, kicked, and bit her for 5 straight minutes. It took 8 other employees to stop the attack.
My coworkers and I then spent roughly around 6 hours in our emergency room being treated.
Violent altercations are so common now that most employees in the field now just consider them simply part of their daily job.
Deb Bailey says 3/4 of incidents of violence against healthcare workers go unreported. They've been spotlighted in recent weeks after reports of attacks against healthcare workers trying to provide vaccines and treatment for the COVID pandemic.
We were accused of crimes against humanity.
Kathleen Toomey runs the State Department of Public Health. She says the hostile environment has produced mental health issues and PTSD among too many healthcare workers.
One of my coworkers in the attack resigned for PTSD.
Destiny says the prosecution of her alleged attacker has added to her ongoing trauma.
I felt punished for trying to stand up for myself and saying that this isn't okay.
Healthcare workers say hospitals crowded with COVID patients have resulted in longer wait times, with fewer healthcare workers who have left the industry because it is more stressful and less safe.